everybody, Lorraine here. Just downstairs playing with paint again. And I have a lot of little cups with a little bit of leftover paint in them. So I thought I'm going to do a bottle bottom pour. And let's see, what do I have here? I have a light orange. I have a dark purple. Light green. Phthalo yellow. Here's some gold. This is a blue, turquoise, a pink, berry, red, which I have a lot of. I probably won't use all of that. Tiny bit of sunshine yellow, a dark green, and a light brown. Let's see. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 colors. Let's make that 14. We'll use some of this Ocean Whisper. Okay. Now I have to decide what order I want to put these in. Don't know if I want to just do it random or what I want to do here. I think I'm going to start out by putting some white around the bottle bottom so that they spread. And let's just pick. I'm going to start with the brown. I have a feeling the first color that I put on there is going to flow off. Probably the first couple of colors. So there is my light sand brown. Set these upside down on something over here. And then, how about we go with the dark brown, dark green? Why not? I haven't put any silicone or methicone or anything in these paints. They're just leftover paints that have been mixed up. Okay, that's looking pretty neat. Try a little of the Ocean Whisper on there. Maybe a tiny bit more. Let's see. A lot of turquoise. And put this gold right there. A little bit of it. Those two look really pretty together. Save a little bit then. Alright. I'm going to go to the purple. Phthalo yellow. I'm sorry, cadmium yellow. Some of this bright blue. light green. The pink. Don't think I did any of the light orange. A little bit of bright yellow. I think I'm going to take a stir stick or two and prop this up over here a little bit. It seems like it wants to flow the other direction. Kind of bring it over a little bit. Some red. And the last color I have here is a berry. I'm not sure how that's going to look next to the red, but we'll see. Not bad. Looks pretty crazy. I'm going to take the bottle off. Let that pull together in the center. It's doing very quickly. Wow, that's pretty neat. I'm going to just tilt it a little bit. Try and do it slowly, because it kind of looks like a perfect little flower right now. You can do this slowly because I don't want to lose too much of the shape, because I like it. I also want to see if I can stretch it to the corner of the canvas. It's kind of a gold divider line between each of the petals. It's pretty cool. Don't really like that ocean whisper in there. It's kind of taken over a little bit. Put some turquoise on the outer edges. I'm just trying to slowly stretch it down. Don't want to lose too much of the shape because I'm liking it. I like that pink. And then the orange and red and the berry color. The orange is kind of shining back behind there. Trying to bring it back to the center. Bring it to this corner a little bit. Trying to decide what color I want to put on the corners here. For some reason I'm thinking bright orange. I don't know why. Let's try it. Why not? Kind of like it. This might be a better job for a palette knife than my fingers, but it's what I started using. Okay. Continue to try and bring it back to the center so I don't distort it too much. there's a whole spot here on the side that doesn't have anything covering it. Let that drip down. A little bit of a push. Oh, very cool. Very cool. Bring it towards you just a little bit. Okay. See some bubbles in there? I'm give it a real quick once over with the torch. Pretty, pretty. I like it, I like it. Tell me what you think. If you like it, give it a thumbs up. I'd like to see how many thumbs up I get on it, because I think it turned out really, really interesting. Okay guys, brought the camera down so I could give you a little closer picture. That's how the corners came out with the bright orange. Goes into the turquoise, and then that ocean whisper, pink and red. I don't know if you can see, but there's a very fine line of gold leading to the center at every petal. I might put a couple little dots in the center to make it look like a flower. I don't know. If I do, I'll take a picture of it later to show you. If you like watching me paint, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Like I said before, if you like it, give it a thumbs up. I think it turned out pretty neat. I'm happy with it. Thanks for visiting with me. Bye.